it's me, Lumi. Okay, yay!
These are not biased. Also, the cheer 500.
Did you like that? Was that good for you? That's a race car. Vajoom, and then it goes Noom. Or something. Welcome back. Thank you. It is I, Kaneko Lumi. Kaneko Lumi. Hi, Lums. Hi. Hi. I had pizza from Tim Hortons. That was weird but good. Apparently Dizzy likes the soup. And I was like, Dizzy, that's the same as getting soup from fucking Subway. And she cried. Gary count. You make bean? Hands. Raccoon. Yes. Hello. Onigiri? I hate you specifically. First time here, has she played Sekiro? Idaho? Oh, it's blue. It's blue. It's all blue. Hello. Okay. And then they gave me way too many potatoes. A Femir. Baby Gronk. Gone. Good. Technically, they're peas. I don't know if I could think about it. I was just curious about the scientific possibility of boiling a person alive, that's all. Choo-choo! I sure do love trains. Hello. Rapist lizard. Cut a swath. Swath? Cut a swath. Fuck. Cut a swath. And I got to see the baby. Okay, yay. Good. We're at the beach! Yay! Wow, blue! Oh, blue, very nice. I'm going to kill myself. Ayasumi say slurs! Yeah, you can pretty much just kick a child and they will be fun. Yay! Are you virile? Virile? Are you virile? I never know how to say the word. Virile? Viral. Viral. I have sex with... Happy Thursday! Oh. Whoa! What? The better picture. Yay! So very good. Age of apostasy. I apologize, rolling almond. Peter Turbo. Yeah, I like Peter Turbo. You want it, Nuka, baby. You burp the baby. You burp it. But they say this about babies. That babies, you can smack as hard as you want because they won't care. They say this. Yeah, they say that. We should slap the baby. Yeah. Nah. Because nobody likes Peter Turbo. Lamp. Martin! Come here, buddy. My baby. And I churned the butter, and I milked the cow. What? No. No. Oh, it's a tank. Aww. I am a woman with no penis. I am female and I have no penis. Cloaca. Anus. And then this is so summer. Kojima, I ate a slice of bread. Buying gay porn for my no frisky nippling happening. Okay, they are trying to buy big lamp. They come to here. And then I'm like really gaming. Oh my god. Gazpacho? Yo quiero unas gazpacho? Yeah. Like, therefore you must be a lemur. And I said, yes, of course, I am a lemur. What the fuck? But she's very teeny. She's okay. Look! Vegetables! Look at those onions! What? Qualifications. Qualifications. How do I make my tail move? Ah. Hmm? 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 Hmm. Just moves. Kind of. Oh! Wait, did you see that? Oh! Tic-tacs. What tic-tacs? Tic-tacs. What tic-tacs? What tic-tacs? Tiger claws have to say rar. Shut up. It's a purple. Just take it. So annoying. It's not actually pink. It's purple. And then there's a bunch of prophecies. I went to Pilates. I thought it was some miraculous type of fish, but it was not. Anyway, so now, like, oh my god, I can't straighten out my arm. Oh, it hurt. That's it, the grim darkness of the future. Oh my god, yay, eepy, sleepy. A Bitcoin. Ow. Motherfucker, I'll just wear a big hat. Okay, yay. Oh, dog. Oh, take him home. Oh, he's free. Oh my god, he's a hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Oh, man, he's got owners. That's lame. Don't tell him we tried to steal their dog. You have never seen the wonders of space. I'm not a furry, okay? I'm a kimono mimi. Yay! Hi, hello. That's the worst sound ever. It's not cute. The boo-boos was cute. That was a cute thing. This is not cute. Face rig on my face. I got a crocodile! That's a crocodile! Look what I found! You humans may call it. I never hear of a heel slug before. Whoa! Ah, fuck! Ah, fuck! I saw that! Ah, no! I'm leaving. I'm going back! Oh. Ha-ha! Fuck you, sniper! You suck dick! Oh. Oh my god. Let's go! What song? Who's that by? I don't remember.
Woman. Curse you.
I am not an expert in dolphin rape. A performance hijab. No. I'm gonna. Chat. I'm funny. It's me with my fentanyl addiction. Fentanyl. Fent. I love it. Everywhere in Switzerland, they speak English. I went around, when I was there, I tried to like see if I could get some response by speaking like my tiny bit of French. But then they would look at my face and go, I speak English. I was like, okay, I'm sorry, my bad. Sorry for saying, I'm sorry for even trying. I shouldn't have done it. They looked at my Lululemon leggings. That's how they usually get me, man. Sometimes I travel and they look at my feet and my legs and they're like, oh, that's a tourist. I know, but they're just so comfy. They're just so comfy. It's the leggings.
I had a dream last night about you. You were just a skeleton with nothing but your stupid lemon hair buns.
Thanks. Kaneko Lumi. What's up? Get the teapot. I don't want a teapot. I don't want a teapot. Can do the crossword. Wow. Oh, God, yay. Perhaps a hot dog. I do love a good hot dog. I do love hot dog. Oh, man, hot dog is really good. You know how much energy it takes to hold the bit for so long? It takes energy to be funny. You're making things up, and that is a crime. It is illegal to make things up about the King of India. You will go to prison! Super jail! Maybe stretch man fuck you. Ah! Do not tell the princess of Namibia to stretch! Hey, fuck you! Hey, fuck you! Pay up! Bring me gold or nothing! Everybody, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Low Effort Clips. That's right, Low Effort Clips, right here on YouTube.com. Yeah, and hit the notification bell. Yeah.